And welcome to the 2011 Dragonblade race.
Probably. Thank you, Julia, for that commentary. It's so far away. Yeah. Yeah. I'll post it on Facebook and you can take it. Yes, yes, yes. There's no ducks in the way this time.
What?
No ducks in the way.
Oh, the excitement is killing me.
They have quite a lead there, so it's not that exciting. It's a battle for second place.
Which was
You can
that?
cross the street and watch them turn around. Have to wait for the sign. Hello. Crossing the street, how exciting. Shaky camera work. There they are, turning around. I'm going to post this on YouTube. You're going to be on YouTube. Singing Justin Bieber. Okay, so this is not a very quality video, but here we go. We saw the race.